sandwich.
You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi to your future father-in-law? Are you gonna be nice this time?
I can see it in her eyes. She's already ready to start on me.
she
Yep.
was she was live a little bit tonight already, or this afternoon. She
You were
was.
live already?
Yeah, she went live already. Surprise, surprise.
Ooh, Kazi.
You still got some in there.
Pretty cause.
Check your water. Change your water.
Kazi Wazi.
You gonna say hello? Hi, QB. Your girl's on there,
Bert.
Cuber.
They
Hey,
had a
fancy
Cosbird.
boy. He looks like he's pissed. He's like,
Hey,
you took
we call him
off
Pink.
and you didn't bring me with you. Oh,
Cosmo, don't make me fly to Canada. Yeah, I will. I will fly right to Canada.
You got shushed.
Shit. Cosmo Baskins, don't make me go to Canada. Hey. You guys be good. Pretty cause. I'm looking at a pretty bird. What are you doing? You're a naughty parrot? Yes, you are a naughty parrot. Hey, don't be getting violent. Violence is never the answer, Cosmo. Aw, she wants to go live with you, Cubert. And she said, hi, sweetie. Now she's sending kisses.
Superstar, Cosmo.
You are a superstar, Cosmo. Ooh, nice one.
Start at Cosmos.
Hi, Cosmos.
That's Carol Baskin.
Yeah, you tell Carol.
Smarcha.
The smarcha tarcha. What's a good puppy?
You want to go live? Cuberson.
Oh,
Cuberson? Did you say Cuberson?
It says Superstar.
Are you Mrs. Miyagi?
It says Superstar. It's Cupid Star.
Oh, thank you for subscribing, something blue. Actually, shit. See if it'll let me do them. I made some new emojis this morning.
Girl. It's a happy Easter. What the?
Hi, Lisa. Oh, you can barely read that one. I'll have to make it again and blow up the text a little bit.
Happy Easter, Cosmos.
Happy Easter, Cosmos.
What you doing?
I'm watching a silly turkey.
Cosmos.
Hey, Jill. Doing good. How are you doing? Cosmo, can you do a water noise? Yeah, do a water noise to get you a drink. Got a taco. Taco noise. Cosmo, make it sound like a taco. Is that what tacos sound like?
That was a good song. Daddy's not home to do some beatbox. Oh, you were doing some good beatbox. Beatbox to your boyfriend, Q.
You are a superstar, Cosmo. Yeah, make it sound like a beatboxing taco.
Superstar.
You are a superstar.
Carol Baskin. Superstar. Go to beatbox, Cosmo Gray.
Beatbox. Yeah, that's better.
How's going your beatbox, Cosmo? Great.
Yeah. Do it, Cosy, do it.
Cosmo superstar. A superstar. Hey, Cosmo.
Hey, Alan, thank you for the follow.
Her beatbox is cool.
Yeah.
Girl basket.
Yeah, that's right. What Carol
Smart
Basket?
ass.
Who's a smart ass? Oh, bless you. Gilbert, you gonna say hi to Kazi?
Fuck Carol basket.
Don't say that though.
Cosmo superstar.
Superstar. Oh, yeah, do something about that cough, Cos.
Hey, Google, turn on that.
Haha, my Google's ignoring you.
Happy Easter. Cosmo superstar.
You are a superstar, Cos. Oh, hello. Shit.
Smackle.
Hey, no violence. Pretty sure violence is against the terms of services, Cosmo.
Some fresh water. Hey, Cosmo.
Animatronics. So Cosmo's first mom passed away, and she started plucking out of grief. She's recovering. She's a million times better than she was even 2 years ago. Hey, but she's perfectly healthy and very well, very happy and well taken care of.
Smackle.
Hey, no violence. Trying to be serious here, Cosmo. You can't be making me laugh. You are a superstar. Right, Chili? I'm going with Whatcha. You're violent tonight. Carl Baskin. She is. She's much better now. I believe. You go to her profile, there's a video pinned from when she first came to live with her new mom. And the difference in her feathers is insane. Like, she's just made so much progress. COs. You're going to need a CO when you go to little birdie prison. You're going to get a correctional officer.
What you doing? Got some fresh water.
She loves to bully me, but only because she loves me. Right, Kazi?
Got some fresh
Right?
water.
Oh, you got some fresh water? What about some hooch?
Some fresh water.
I want some fresh hooch, not some fresh water.
Got some fresh water.
I want some fresh hooch.
Cosmo.
Oh, you silly turkey.
Smart
Smart ass Cosmo. Hello.
That's some fresh water.
Yeah.
Hey, Google, turn on lamp. There's a superstar.
You are a superstar.
Cosmo.
Cosmo.
Come on, come. Let's go. And Carol Baskin. Art is that.
Smart ass.
Oh,
Oh, bless you.
Cosmo.
Kiki! Woo!
What's that?
What's that?
Where are you? Nice. You want to go live, Cooper? Here's some fresh water. Cosmo's superstar. Anyways, got
7th generation so far, just over lives, but eventually we want to have a bird con where we get them all together in real life.
What?
Dark Queen, thank you for the follow. Hey, and everybody down in the chat, if you're not already following Cosmo and Kiki,
Hey, man,
please
jerk.
do so. I'm sure most of you are already following Cosmo, but you should follow Kiki down in the bottom right too. She's awesome. Kiki and Chloe and her mom. Their mom.
Hey, man, jerk.
Do it, well, oh yeah, it's college students, right? I was going to say,
See, or
it's college students, right? Yeah, exactly, Carolyn. It'd be like the elf on Rudolph. You can't fire me, I quit. And thank you for sharing out the live. Much appreciated.
Smackle. Hi, sweetie. Smackle.
Yep, Heather, they can do a trick. What? Kubert, ready? 1, 2, 3. Be a bird. Isn't that awesome? She does it every time without fail.
Smackle. Oh.
She does. Cosmo has an amazing vocabulary. I'm pretty sure Cindy's gonna come out eventually and tell us that Cosmo's just been a robot this whole time.
I'm gonna turn the lamp soon.
Hi, Tia.
Oh.
Animatronic, thank you for the follow. Hi, Janelle.
Cosmo.
Cosmo. Thank you for the follow, Shiveria.
Live. See our chat. There, Cosmo.
Hubert is 13, just about 14. Cosmo's 9. Holly, how old's Kiki?
Your neck coffee. Or that. Oh.
Hello? Crap. I'll be right back.
Nice girl.
I actually don't know how old Kiki is.
Oh.
squeak, squeak, squeak.
What you want, Cosmo?
I know they're both at least 5. Their surrender form said
That's
that
been
the
many here.
Okay, Q. You tell that thing. What's up?
What's the heck?
I'm not an athlete.
Hey, no violence. Oh, you got Frankie? Bring him on in.
Nice.
I'm
Hi,
going to make
sweetie.
I'm going to make dinner, but I'll be back.
I'll turn
Okay.
on.
We'll keep an eye on her. Kiki, you be good.
Come in or watch it.
Watcha.
So it's the happiest.